Alright, so the Osmo Pocket memory card is kind of having some issues, so I'm just going to order another one, and a better one, because I had to do that anyway. I want a V90 memory card, so it has like all the nice, you know, whatever. But anyhow, right now I'm on my way to North Chelmsford, which is about an hour away from me, plus it's rush hour traffic, so it's not an optimal time to drive. But it's worth it because I really want to get a car this week. So, we're heading out there. I did not expect to look at this car. I do like this engine, but I'm not 100% sure how I feel about this body itself. You guys will see it. I do love the engine, and I do love how you can actually modify these, because that's not really much of a thing people do. These are very tunable all the way down to the suspension, and you can whatever. But yeah, I guess I'll get back to you guys when I get there, because there's not really much I can say. And I just got off work, which was also driving and delivering packages all day, so I'm exhausted. Yeah, but I guess I'll get back to you guys in the next clip. So as I drive up, there's the car, and I'm gonna see what else they have just in case. But yeah, this drive is not that bad. It's only because it was rush hour traffic that it took so long. But yeah, let me go speak to the people and see what they're saying. How do I get in there? Maybe over here, I guess I'll see. I think that's like a Pontiac or something. I can't tell though. But it's on Kron's LXZs, one of my favorite wheels. I'm trying to figure out where the place is. I think it might be over. Oh wow, I'm an idiot. Give me a second. So it's on some aftermarket wheels, stock exhaust, well, at least stock exhaust tips. Is this like plasti dip or is it paint? Okay, so this is a paint job, so it is a, I'm pretty sure it's like a matte-ish kind of black. It doesn't, yeah. Black interior, gauge pods. Oh, Innovate gauges. Oh, that's pretty nice. Let's see. That exhaust does not sound stock. Ah, man, this is annoying because I feel like I'm gonna start liking this car a lot more than the M3. Back is nice. This looks aftermarket, but I'm not too sure. This is Comfort and Sport, I believe. Jeez, let me see where the hood thing is. You can hear the blower whining. I see some type of AN line, and it looks like a Gates belt, possibly a smaller pulley. And then there is a different heat exchanger in there, maybe a little bigger than the stock. And then these two cables up there, I'm not sure. That may be meth injection, but I don't know. Looks like there's quite a, I don't know, it may be meth injected. Oh man, I'm starting to like this one more than the M3, people. After I drive it, we're gonna see, but I'm kind of looking to, I don't know, I'm not going to jump the gun right now because I still do have to look at the R32, but yeah, this is quite a bit of a machine here. Alright, let's go take a test drive. It sounds good as hell. I really want to know if it's meth injected. I need to open the what do you call that thing? The trunk. But I don't know, this, oh my god. People, this thing is something. My god, dude. Oh yeah. I don't know why I'm not remembering this. I had a similar car. barely giving it anything.
House park. You can ask.
Yeah, because I was looking at the M3. That's the 2009 M3, and it's okay, but it just doesn't have a lot of torque. But this, like, yeah, the what do you call it? The tracks. And you said this has the regular like airmatic suspension thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Sheesh. This thing really picks up. Oh my god. Damn. Shit. Yeah, this definitely would be a fun daily driver, like, and it's automatic too. Like that's, yeah, this thing is nice. Damn, I'm leaning towards this more than the BMW now. Like I didn't even think that would happen, but damn.
Forget about being then Jimmy.
And that's not in sport mode either, is it?
MG mode.
No, in sport mode, because I know that they have like have regular and they have
this one
sport.
not. The new ones they have sport mode and stuff like that. This one not. Zone 6. The new ones they have that.
I was gonna say because I thought that, or is that for the suspension between comfort and sport?
No, that one you can drive in the manual here. See?
Oh, manual.
Yeah,
okay.
Then now it's manual. You can shift over here. The paddle shift is in the back, okay. Yeah, this thing. And what we saw in the front, I thought it was for meth, but it's actually for NOS injection, which is pretty interesting. I've never seen somebody do NOS on one of these, but it's good to have it. Damn, the trunk is pretty big too. Let's see. I want to know if there's like a ECU or something. Chargers. And he also said he has pulleys and a custom intake, so man, it's looking like I'm gonna be a AMG guy. But you guys let me know your opinions. So yeah, let me know. I'm gonna be showing you guys the R32 when I go to see it. I have the route in Rhode Island tomorrow, so that video will be uploaded after this. But you guys saw the
93 E92 M3, and now you saw the CLS55 AMG. So you guys help me decide, because man, I think you guys already can see where I'm headed. So, but still, your opinion matters as well. So let me know.